Whether you're fabricating a custom exhaust or upgrading your setup, Pypes offers a variety of exhaust components to get the job done. Known for our high-quality complete exhaust kits, Pypes also manufactures a line of components for when an out-of-the-box kit just won't work. Our builders kits have everything to bring your project to life, including high-quality stainless steel tubing, mandrel bent bends in 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and 3-inch oval diameter piping. They're available as kits, which is the best bang for the buck, or as individual components. No exhaust is complete without the right hardware. We offer a full line of clamps, hangers, collector reducers, pipe adapters, and electric cutouts to make your installation seamless and secure. A true one-stop shop for the custom exhaust builder. To further tune your sound, add one of our X or H pipes to your builder's kit, as well as a pair of our tuned mufflers to give your build a true custom sound. All backed by a lifetime warranty, of course. If you have any questions on how to take your project to the next level, contact our team of experts at 800-421-3890 or check out pipesexhaust.com to get your ride Pypes equipped today.